So this is the my account which I am logging on the Excel. Now I will run the script. So let's see, my mouse will be in the top, you can see. So it's logged in with my account. Now it go to the marketplace. Now it will change the location. It will change the kilometers. Okay. Now if I go to the, now it will scroll 2 times. I'm sorry, it will scroll 14 times as I provided the data in 14. Now it open the first item, first seller item. It will now, as you see, here is the option send message. It will now automatically click on the send message. It will randomly click the send message so that the Facebook not understand is it a bot.